So, Steve-O,
Yeah.
you want to know what I did?
What did you do today?
I used
You
this.
used your new
This is
auger.
so great. It's a little auger bit. Actually, it's a big auger bit.
It's a big auger.
And I just planted a whole bunch of narcissus bulbs.
Narcissus.
You're really supposed to plant them in the fall, just before you go into winter. But these I was supposed to plant last fall, but
Yeah.
then our pole barn burned down.
Yep.
And all of those people on the internet that are
Yeah.
so wise and smart,
Yes.
they said, go ahead and plant them. Otherwise, they're going to get all dried out and they're going to die, or maybe they'll get moldy or whatever. So plant them. They're not going to
Okay.
bloom this year,
Not
but
gonna
next year they're going to bloom.
Where'd you plant them?
I planted them along the bed along the pole barn. So they're inside the garden.
Yeah.
So hopefully the deer won't eat them when they start to come up. But those will
Cool.
be like an early blooming thing in spring, which makes me happy.
Sweet.
So
Awesome.
so I'm already happy because I
glad to hear
used
that.
my big auger bit.
That's great.
Yeah. Thank you for getting it. For me.
Yeah. Excellent.
All right. Are we
All right.
opening more things
We're going to
today?
open some, yes, we're going to open some, I think, more tools.
Great. Do we need scissors?
So we need something to open, yes.
And did you come unprepared
I did.
again?
Always. Always.
All right. I'll get them.
So I'll quickly open them all up without you.
You're so thoughtful.
I am.
All right, here we go. I got the
Yep.
scissors.
All right, well, I'm just pulling the bags out.
None of these things look like what I want.
Well, this is an exciting,
that is exciting.
folding handsaw. It's really actually to replace the folding handsaw that we had in our camping tote. So,
So we won't like chop buckthorn down with that.
no,
That'll go camping with us.
this will go camping.
Okay,
All right,
okay.
then we have
I have scissors. Do you
a,
need them?
I don't know, let's see, let's see. No, not yet. This is something. That's what it is. Oh, you know what this is?
I have no idea what
This
this is.
is our new.
It looks fancy. Look at you guys. It's got a brand stamped right on it.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
it's heavy.
Yeah, these all came from Woot. 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 So this looks to me like our new breaker bar, a 1/2-inch breaker bar.
What's a breaker bar?
A strong wrench.
This is a tractor tool. I
This
bet.
is a tractor tool.
Got it.
So,
okay.
but that's very
For
nice.
like taking wheels on and off.
Yes, exactly, for taking the wheels off Vinny.
So our dualies.
Yeah, I like
Okay.
that.
Excellent. It's very heavy.
Yes.
Like
yes.
if you misbehave, I could bonk you upside the head
Oh,
with
boy.
this.
Well, I
And-
better behave myself then.
Yes, you would not get up again.
I'm going to open all of these without the scissors just because. This
Oh boy.
is our new fancy dancy handy. Oh yes.
Ooh, look at
this
this.
is our
Show
torque,
the people. Look at.
torque
See,
wrench.
it's got the name stamped on there.
Yep.
I mean, it's fancy looking. Like I don't know if you can tell, but this is high quality right here.
I have no idea if it's high quality.
It sure seems
Actually,
high quality.
it is.
It did come from Woot.
Yes, it was super duper on sale. So, and then I liked this. I liked how this, it looks like I might have to, yeah, I might have to.
So you
I might have
think
to,
you're gonna
there we go.
like it.
Yeah,
You don't actually
no, look
like
at, look
it.
at, yeah, see that?
Oh.
And so then you can again.
So you got
right,
a little more
right?
power.
Yeah,
Okay.
foot-pounds, all right.
Okay.
So this also, this is so that I can torque Vinny's
It
wheels.
says torque right
Torque,
there.
I know. And so I'll be able to torque his wheels on. So that will be good.
Okay, I hope these get better. I mean,
All
I'm
right.
excited for you, but
All right.
what about me?
None of these are for you. These are all about Steve. Woo!
Would you like my scissors?
Yes, now I will take your scissors. Just to make you happy. All right. This is,
Same brand, same
See,
company.
yep.
This Michael Pro.
oh yeah, this was, I liked this. This was a set. I've never heard of this brand. It was,
It's very, ooh, that was a reflex I just
Oh,
did.
yeah.
Ooh, let's see that.
so this is our 92 to 111 millimeter Doohickey. This is a set
What are
for,
these?
well, I will tell you.
Okay.
These are a set of wrenches for oil filters. So when we're doing the cars and when we're doing Vinny and Zippy,
Did we have these before?
yeah, we had,
They weren't nearly so nice looking, were they?
no, well, you never saw them. They were in a,
This is not my
they
department.
they were in a bin on the shelf that incinerated.
That whole section was not really my section. It was like drip pans and oil funnels
Yep.
and these things.
Yep,
here.
so I had bought one, I had one from my dad, and then we had two from Dick.
Wow.
So,
Okay, well, now we have them again. And look at, it comes in like its own little toothbrush holder.
yes. Yes, that'll be very nice.
It will be very nice.
So far, I'm super pleased with
I know.
these boot specials.
Anybody who needs a brand, I have to say, on first inspection, this seems very high quality,
Yep, they're made in Taiwan. So,
which is where they do some excellent oil changes.
oh, and this, another excitement, and this you actually will use and enjoy.
Will I?
Yes, I will let you hold this again.
Okay,
Same
bring
brand,
it, bring it.
because
Same brand.
they were all on sale.
It's not made out of porcelain like that one is, or ceramic, or whatever that is.
Yeah.
This is metal.
Okay, so
And
here,
what is it?
I'll
Is
do
it
these
like
in
a-
size.
Is it like to measure your bits?
Oh, there you go. There we go. I'm giving you in size, in
You're
order.
giving me what?
In order. There you go. Yep. Yep, that's it.
That's it?
Yep.
And what are these things?
Yeah, well, what do you think?
I don't know. It sort of looks like a deformed Allen wrench.
That's what they are.
Deformed Allen wrenches?
Yep, well,
I bet they were on sale.
I don't, I'm not sure I would call
Look at-
them a deformed.
They have the
Yeah.
little roundy part at the bottom.
Right, which lets you get in at an angle. So if you can't get right on top of something, you can go at a certain angle. And
You know what we should do now that we have these?
What?
We should throw away all of the cheap Allen wrenches that we have. You know how like every time you order a piece of furniture that has to be put together, they like do you the big favor of including the piece of junk Allen wrench?
Yes.
We should throw them all away.
Really?
Because now we have the one with the brand stamped
I
on
know,
it.
isn't that cool?
It is pretty cool.
Yep, and the
Look
nice
at this one.
handles.
This one looks kind of lethal, actually.
Yeah, well,
I think I saw a movie once where someone took something like this and put it in someone's ear and it came out the other side. They died.
doesn't sound like my kind of movie. All right, so there's that. This one I'll let you open.
Woo! Okay, I'm gonna need the scissors.
There you go.
Okay.
I'll let you open because that one is actually one that you will use extensively.
And this looks like it was taped by your dad. Your dad is a big
He-
user of tape.
yeah,
He would approve of this.
He would approve of the quality of the taping job on this box,
Whew, it's very heavy.
which I appreciate because it was shipped and it's intact.
Yeah. Oh, it's very heavy.
Yes, it is. Very beefy.
Instructions?
Instructions. Yeah, I
Oh,
hear
look
the
at even
instructions are
all the
awful.
stuff is taped.
Good thing you got your scissors.
Good thing.
Good thing.
Good thing. I was prepared.
Yeah,
Gosh, there's like a million pieces.
yeah.
All right. I know you guys are dying to know what it is.
Dying to know. what
As
this
am
is.
I. Okay, so big honkin' heavy piece of metal.
Heavy piece of metal.
Another big honkin' heavy piece of metal. This looks like some sort of hitch or tongue.
Yeah, yeah, sort of, kind of,
Sort of?
sort of, kind of.
Okay, look at, oh, metal within metal within metal.
Yep.
Do you know how this all goes together?
Nope, not yet.
Okay, big other heavy piece of metal.
Yep, yep. I got
Sure,
the
it looks like a tongue.
four
doesn't it?
step.
Like
Yeah,
you put
yeah.
it there and then,
yeah, 4-step instruction. So I'll.
okay. Look at it, comes with all these brackets.
This will be like this. There you go. So This,
And then it's got all these parts.
all those parts, and those brackets are going to be what attach this to
I need my scissors back.
Zippy. So what this is.
Oh, so this is for my ball.
Yep.
For the back of.
So there'll be it raises it up so
Nice.
that it's not way down low.
Nice.
Which you have to understand, if you are using a utility trailer being pulled by a riding lawnmower, then, and you don't have something like this, it's very low and it tends to dig into the ground on hills.
True.
So that is no good. So there'll be a 2-inch hitch ball because
Right.
everybody knows that we're gonna
Only
have
2-inch
2-inch
hitch
balls.
balls.
Yep. And then there are 2 spots. You can put the hitch ball here, which is what I'm leaning towards, but you could also put it here. And then this retains the hole for pin-driven implements like our dethatcher.
This makes me so
you've
happy.
You've got pins and you've
So
got.
I don't really know how all this goes together.
But it'll go on right on the back of Zippy.
And it's gonna allow me to pull the little dump trailer
Yep.
wherever I want, which is gonna be great.
The dump trailer, the dethatcher, and the utility trailer. Bang.
Boom.
Right here.
Well, that's kind of exciting.
All right.
Okay.
That's
All right,
it.
I'll give this back to you. Is that it? We're
That's
done?
it. We're done.
Oh, okay. What's in the big box?
This.
Oh, I see. Okay.
All right.